Hi, my name is Shayla Teben, and this is me doing my presentation on taking the stem out of paper clips. So to start, a little introduction of me is again, my name is Shayla Teben, and I'm currently a senior online student through Fort Hays State University. I am a long-term substitute at the high school in my hometown, and I teach agriculture. So my item I picked for this presentation and project is a paperclip. So to start off, we're going to start with science, and how science is related to a paperclip is the properties of the steel wire that it is made out of. Okay, so how science is related to this is for the strength. So paperclips are strong enough to not break when we use and bend them. And also the elasticity is the steel can bend and return to its shape. So if I undo this paperclip, I can get it back to this shape without it breaking. The next thing is technology. So for technology and paperclips, we use wire bending machines. Okay, so this is a tool designed with rollers, cutters, and bending arms that fold the wire to its correct angles to make a paperclip. So for mass production for this section is the machine can produce thousands of paperclips per minute. So all of us can use paperclips. They are available everywhere. And then the next thing is using technology to make paperclips is they all make the same shape and the same folds the same. So every paperclip looks like this and has the same shape and they're made the same. The next thing is engineering. So how engineering is part of a paperclip is the shape that grips without tearing the paper. So I can put this paperclip on a piece of paper right now and it would not tear my paper. Okay, so this is because of the function. So this product is produced with a double loop, so it uses tension and friction to grip the papers. Okay, so the balance of force of it is bent in a way that applies enough pressure to hold papers. So I can put multiple papers and this paperclip will hold all of them. They also have rounded ends so they can prevent scratching or poking fingers for safety. That's with adults, kids, whoever is using paper clips to hold their papers. The next thing is math. So the math part of it is the radius, force, and bending angles for paper clips. So let's talk about the radius of curves. So for a paper clip, the loop of the paperclip must be bent with the right radius so they can create tension. And then the angles of the bends of the paperclips, they each bend and measure in degrees. So all of them have the same degrees so they can make this shape and use this item properly. So for force calculations, this predicts how much force the paperclip can apply to hold papers without slipping. So this means that math is used to create a paperclip so it can hold your papers instead of dropping them everywhere, making them loose. It actually holds and puts tension on your papers. So in conclusion, I learned a lot from this research and this presentation when I was creating it. So I learned a lot about paper clips and how they are made using these 4 different categories. So science, math, engineering, and technology. So what I thought was crazy is paper clips have the same shape clear back from the 1800s. It is the same shape, nothing has changed with them, and all of them look the same. And I also found that was very interesting to see how some people thought about paper clips and everything that goes into them. So some people think a paper clip is just bent a certain way and all of them look the same. Well, really, all of these things apply in making a paper clip to hold our papers. So I thought that was very interesting to learn. And then these are my APA style references I used to create this presentation. So, thank you.